Creating hyperlinks in MS Word. Hyperlink to a text or picture can provide access to a file, document or website directly from your document. The step to create hyperlink to a text are: first step, select the text you want to put as a hyperlink. Second, click on the Insert tab. In Link Group, click on the Hyperlink button or right click on the selected text and click on Hyperlink option. Step 3. Locate the drive or folder where the file is located. Look in list box. Number 4. Select the required file. Next, click on the OK button. The hyperlink text gets underlined and its color changed to blue. Number 6. Now press and hold Ctrl key. In the same way, you can create hyperlink to a website. Header and footer. Header and footer are the content which appear at the bottom and the bottom margin of every page in the document. It can be an image, text, page number, data, company name, etc. Header appears at the top margin of the page while footer appears at the bottom margin of the page. The steps to insert a header in the document are: first step, click on Insert tab. In Header and Footer section, click on the Header button. Next, a pull down list appears. It provides some pre-formatted header options such as blank, blank, Austin and Bandit. Click on the required option. The header area activates at the top of the page. The step to insert a footer from the Insert tab are: first, click on the Insert tab. In Header and Footer section, click on the Footer button. A pull down list appears. It provides some pre-formatted footer options such as blank, blank, Austin and Bandit. Click on the required option. Number 3. The footer are activated at the bottom of the page. Type the text to as set as a footer. Click on anywhere on the page. Inserting page number. Page number can be inserted at the top or bottom of the page. The steps to insert page number are: first step, click on Insert tab. Next, in Header and Footer section, click on the Page Number button. A pull down list appears. Hover this mouse over on an option to open the sub menu. For example, button of page. Click on the style of page number. Next, the page number is inserted on every page of the document. Click anywhere on the page. Next, inserting and drawing a text box. A text box is a graphical element in Word. A text box is a way to make a block of text stand out from the rest of the document. The step to insert a text box are: first step, click on Insert tab. In Text Group, click on the Text Box option. Next, click any one of the pre-formatted text box or select Draw Text Box option from the list. Inserting symbols and special character. Symbol like smiley, sun and star, arrow, and special character like $, can be inserted in the document. The step to insert a symbol are: first step, click on Insert tab. In Symbol Group, click on the Symbol button. A list of symbols appears. Click on the required symbol. Document view. MS Word provides different ways in which a document can be viewed depending on the purpose for which it is viewed. These are: Read mode, Print layout view, Web layout view, Outline view, Draft view.